Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus from D Pharma and DMLT department. In today class, I discuss about the difference between surface and the depth filtration. Surface filtration, the size of particle retained is slightly higher than the mean pore size of medium. And depth filtration is the size of the particle retained is much smaller than the mean pore size of medium. In surface filtration, mechanical strength of filter medium is less and unless it is made of stainless steel. In case of the depth filtration, mechanical strength of filter medium is high and it has the low capacity and the size it has the high capacity, and there are the size of particle retained is more predictable in the surface filtration and the size of particle retained is less predictable in the depth filtration. Next is the equipment is expensive because ancillary equipment such as edge clamp is required. And examples are the cellulose membrane filter, and in case of the depth filtration, ceramic filter and sintered filter equipment is cheaper because ancillary equipment is not required. Next is the theories of the filtration. The flow of liquid through a filter flow. The basic rules that govern the flow of any liquid through the medium offering resistance. The rate of flow may be expressed as the rate is equal to the driving force upon resistance. The rate of filtration may be expressed as volume per unit time dV by dt. Driving force is equal to the pressure upstream minus pressure downstream. Resistance is not constant and it increases with an increase in the depositions of solid on the filter medium. Therefore, filtration is not a steady state. The rate of flow will be greatest at the beginning of the filtration process since the resistance is minimum. After forming the filter cake, its surface acts as the filter medium and solids continuously deposit adding to the thickness of the cake. Powder or the granules bed visualized as a bundle of the capillary. Upstream pressure P1, surface area. Downstream pressure is P2, viscosity flow rate is the M3 by per unit time. Filtration process parameter is the distance to flow is related to the several factors given in the figure. Resistance to the moment is equal to the pressure upstream minus pressure downstream length of capillaries. There are the following equations, but in today class I discuss about the difference between the surface and depth filtration and their theories. Their theories are the Poiseuille equation, Darcy equation, and also about the Kozeny-Karman equation. And first is the Poiseuille equations. Poiseuille consider that the filtration is similar to the streamlined flow of the liquid under pressure through capillaries. Poiseuille equation is the V is equal to the pi lambda PR4 upon 8 ln. V is equal to the rate of flow meter cube per second, and delta P is equal to the pressure difference across the filter PA. R is equal to the radius of capillary in the filter bed, and L is equal to the thickness of the filter cake M, and N is equal to the viscosity of the filtrate particles. If the cake is composed of the bulk mass of the particles and the liquid flow through the intrinsic, then flow of the liquids through these may be expressed by this equation. In today's class, I discuss about the Poiseuille equations, theories of filtration, difference between surface and the depth filtration. Thank you.